our friends at Viva Naturals sent us this coconut oil, right? Comes really, really nice in a small package, right? And the reason that I use coconut oil, I use it for cooking. I cook everything with coconut oil because it's one of the recommended non-seed oils, right? That prevent, right? Cooking with seed oils will cause inflammation, and MCT oil or coconut oil, right? It doesn't give you the inflammation. So this is perfect for cooking. You could put it on, I mean, this is funny. You could put it on the bread, right, to eat it. Like I put it on toast, really nice. But what's funny is that my mom used it on her skin and on her hair, right? This is organic coconut oil, so the ingredients are that organic extra virgin cold pressed coconut oil. That's it. It doesn't have, because this is a really, really clean brand. All the Viva Natural organic products are really clean. You're not gonna have a bunch of like crazy ingredients in it. All it comes is organic cold pressed coconut oil. Now, why do I use it also? So I do a keto diet, and when you're doing keto, you run on ketones if you get to be keto, right? Which means that you're not, I do a lot of fasting, and when I'm gonna break the fast, I'm gonna eat only keto friendly foods such as protein. And I cook my scrambled eggs with this coconut oil, and it just tastes delicious. I love it. I love the taste of coconut as it is, but the taste that this coconut oil gives to your scrambled eggs, you should try it. It's going to be very different. It's going to be really nice. I also, when I want to, so I eat a lot of buckwheat because it has also a lower insulinic strike, right? And it's buckwheat is my substitute for rice because it has the same consistency, right? And it's with water, and I put some coconut oil in there to make it also taste really good. So that's what I use this for. It's great for when you're doing a keto diet because this it supports like keto health, so you're gonna get ketones from this, and it gives you nice energy, right? When I'm on keto, right, and I do it right, that really clean keto, I feel this extra energy, this boost of energy, especially when I decide to fast for several days, right? If you want to keep your fast, you can, of course, drink stuff like coffee and liquids like broth that don't give you an insulinic spike. And if you want to feel more energy, a spoonful of coconut oil or MCT oil, which is what this is. So this is how I use it. And the perfect thing about this, and this is really important for me, is single origin, organic, non-GMO, and all the beautiful things that something clean should be. So super, super recommended.